Okay, now that you know how to quilt the quilts, let's look at how I've quilted some of my quilts so that you can get some ideas of what I go through in the selection process of how to quilt them. And I can just give you some of the ideas that I have used. This first one is Hot and Cold Running Stars. And was just made pretty much on a whim, and I had so much fun making it, and then when I was deciding how to quilt it, I used a block feather design in the background behind the stars and just made it stop and start so that it stayed behind the stars, but it's actually a block design. So that was a little bit different use of a block design than what I've ever done before, and it actually kind of works. Inside the stars, I used a feather design that is in the shape of a star, and it just fits in there just perfectly. The rest of it, because the border is so dark, you don't even really see what would be quilted in the outside. That's where you don't want to put anything real intricate or put your best work into. That's when you just need to do something real simple, and I just did a simple stipple design in there. So you need to pick things that you're comfortable with quilting, and that's how you need to choose your quilting designs. But this one is one of my favorite quilts just because of how pretty and happy the colors are.